What's up, guys? It's D bringing out another video. In today's video, we are still chasing the cylinder 5 Misfire on my F90 M5. It has been a persistent pain in my ass, but it is what it is. We're gonna figure it out. Right now, I'm heading down to my mechanic's shop right now to do a smoke test to see if we have any vacuum leaks anywhere. Hopefully we do, because that's an easy fix. And if not, we'll have to move on to the next thing. So I'll be back with you guys once we get to the shop.
Water wetter stuff helped any, or?
I don't think so. I don't think there's enough in it. It might. I've noticed one side is cooler than the other. Like one side is like cooler.
Like one of the heads is like the engine?
One of the banks is,
This side's running cooler?
No, I actually think it's this one.
This one.
Also, not seeing anything. Do the valves actually ever go bad? Like the thingies?
Yeah, they do go bad. I mean, we could try putting new ones on there. But it's just weird to me that it's at idle. I feel like if those were bad, it'd be doing it all the time.
All the time?
And it would be worse during boost.
Yeah, it's so it'll literally no misfires because I'll do a log and there's nothing at all.
Just cold start.
Yeah.
When's it start logging? Like whenever you hit the button, or does it have to be like when you're driving?
When I hit the button or when I push the accelerator to a certain RPM. I mean a certain percentage. And then like the cold start one I just started before I start the car, and it just so the very first one the cylinder 5 will just climb, and then if it's warm or something it'll slowly climb. But like the first one in the morning it is bad. Yeah, I'm not seeing any.
You don't have any cross bank rich tooling. You don't have nothing like that, right?
It did it once and then it went away. But it was on this bank, but it went away.
Was that just at the beginning?
Mhm.
You first got it back?
Mhm.
It's probably still adapting. Yeah, it went right back to where it was.
I'm not
If
seeing.
it was smoking, bro, we would see something.
But there's absolutely nothing.
At least I know I did my job. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So there's no codes in it now?
No, they went off by themselves. They might still be stored. So the check engine light goes on, it'll come on, and then after maybe a day or so, it'll turn itself off. Like they told me, when the car sounds like it's chopping is when it's misfiring, which is what it goes in line with what the scanner tells me on the phone. I thought the chop was cool. Walt was telling me before, he was like, your car shouldn't sound like that before we did the valve cover. And I was like, nah, it's just how the turbos make it sound.